Hello guys, my name is Gaurav and today we are going to discuss our next task of internship. And as you know, I am pursuing my internship in data science and business analytics in the Spark Foundation. And our next task is task number 6, prediction using decision tree algorithm. Level is intermediate, and the important points which are evaluated in our task are firstly we will see problem statement, create the decision tree classifier and visualize it graphically. Like we have to create a decision tree, and we will see, like we will plot according to our data set. Here are important points, like the our main purpose is to feed any new data to the classifier. We have to create a classifier in which we can feed any kind of data, and it will predict the values according to that, all the classes according to that. And here we have used iris dataset. The link is here, and here is decision tree classifier. We will discuss that what is decision tree classifier. Actually, decision tree algorithm belongs to family of supervised learning algorithm basically. And as we know that there are supervised and unsupervised, two types of learning. And decision tree is in category of supervised learning algorithm, and it can be used to solve regression classification problems both. And decision tree classify basically by sorting them and divide them into leaf and terminal nodes and classify them according to that, and create a model in which we can classify any kind of data. And here is our purpose to create, to feed the data, any kind of data in the classifier, and it will predict according to the data, the right class of the data. So here we will firstly we will import all the required libraries in our task, like pandas, numpy, seaborn, matplotlib. Then dataset imported, the iris dataset which we are using in our task. So total 150 instances and 6 columns. We can see sample length, width, pattern length, width, species ID. Here is the info about our data set. Total value counts 50 for each class. The head values, top 5 values in our data set, top 5 column, sample length, width, pattern length, width, species. Then tail, last 5 values. Then data set is described, the count, mean, standard deviation, minimum value, parameters, maximum value, all the data. Then species, class, value counts 50 for each class. Then columns are described. Then we will prepare our model after that. As you can see, training and testing part will take place. Model building, maximum features are utilized here, and training and testing part fit in the model. Then best score according to our data set accuracy 0.95, best estimator, parameters, predicted values, all are explained, precision, recall, F1 score. Then we will create here our final decision tree. Prediction model. Total sample is taken 10, actual and predicted values explained here. You can see according to different values, random values. Matrix accuracy 0.9, that is predicted. There is the heat map, you can see. With predicted level, the graphical representation of our decision tree. Here is a graphical representation and explanation of our decision tree classifier. So this is our panel, and we can feed any kind of data, any kind of new data in this classifier, and it will be able to predict the right class according to that. We can feed any kind of data in this. Thank you so much.